All right, so now that we've got our sequence set up, let's go ahead and jump into Premiere and start to use Ultra Key to key out the grain around our model. And then we'll put in a background and we'll start to work with that moving forward. So here we are in Premiere. I'm in my editing mode, and yours still may look a little bit different than mine just based on what you have open and what your chosen layout is. All right, so when we finished this, we used a warp stabilizer. We've nested our sequence, nested our footage, excuse me, and added a warp stabilizer to smooth out our footage so it's nice and smooth. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to work on ultra keying, or use the ultra key to remove the green in the background. So first thing we're going to do is select our footage, and I'm going to move in close like this so we can get some nice detail around the hair. And we're going to come over to, in our effects panel, we're going to go to keying and look for ultra key. And we'll drag that out onto our footage. Now what we're going to do with Ultra Key in our Effects Controls panel is grab our little eyedropper tool here next to Key Color. We'll click that eyedropper tool, and we'll come over here and grab a green that's close to her hair. Let's try that. That's pretty good, actually. And then we're going to say Output. Let's say Alpha Color for now, or Alpha Channel for now. And we're going to start to clean some of this up. So we're going to open up, expand out matte generation, and I'm going to drop the transparency down to say right there, and then I'm going to increase the pedestal. Now each time you do this, no matter what your project is, your settings are going to be slightly different. So it's just a matter of playing with them, finding something that works best for you, and then basically using that alpha channel to clean this up. So that looks pretty good there. Let's take alpha channel off and say composite. Looks good. Let's clean up the matte. Go to matte cleanup. And let's soften that matte a little bit. Looks good there. All right, so there we go. There is our person. Now, what we'll do is, since I have my image, I'll go to Image in my project panel. I've already imported my image. If you haven't done this, go ahead and pause the video, import your image, or find a background to put behind your person. And then, come on back. We're going to drag this out once you have your image. Just for now. We'll animate this later. But we'll drag this out. Just kind of give our subject some sort of context. Let's scale this down a little bit. All right. And you can see there's some popping going on, so I'll have to clean that matte up a little bit more. So go ahead and import an image, take a look, practice your ultra keying, practice your keying, get that background out, and then we'll come back and we'll mask out this set of flags that's in front of her. We'll get rid of that, and then we'll move into some color correction in animation. So I'll see you in the next video.